In this section, we will be covering PMT and IPMT function. I have attached this spreadsheet with this video. You can just download it from the description where we have the link to download this spreadsheet. As you can see, we have some spreadsheets here, and if you were to go through with these spreadsheets, you may think there is too much work to do. But the reality is, we will be using autofill quite a lot to fill in these spreadsheets. As you can see, we have this interest only loan example for interest only type of loan, and this weekly payment example, which is just an example of how do we find weekly payments using PMT function. Don't worry, at the end of this PMT IPMT section, you will be able to understand this example easily. So once you know how to write out PMT function, we will be covering IPMT function, and you will understand how to get the payments on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, and yearly basis. So yeah, it looks like there is a lot going on, but it shouldn't take too long to cover all of it. So the first spreadsheet we will be working in will be this one, the PMT and IPMT.